In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an old version of Elementor. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where the latest version of a plugin isn't quite right for your website or perhaps has introduced some bugs that interfere with your current setup, knowing how to access a previous version can be a real lifesaver. So, let's dive into the process. To begin, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the WordPress plugin repository. You can do this by typing in WordPress plugin repository into your search engine, or simply go to wordpress.org and find the plugin repository section. Once you're there, use the search bar to look up Elementor. This should bring up the Elementor page on the WordPress directory where you can view the various information about the plugin. On this Elementor plugin page, you'll see a variety of tabs and options. What you're looking for here is the Development tab, so go ahead and click on it. This tab isn't always the most obvious at first glance, but it contains the gems we're looking for. Once you've clicked on the Development tab, scroll down a little until you spot the Previous Version section. It's here that WordPress stores the various releases of Elementor that you can download and use. You'll notice different version numbers listed. These refer to the previously released versions of Elementor. Be sure to move through this list carefully and identify the version you wish to download. Picking the correct version is important, especially if you have a specific functionality or design in mind that changed with a later update. Once you've located the version you need, look to the right of that version number. You should see a Download option or button there. Click on it, and the download process for that version will begin. The file you receive will typically come in a .zip format, which is ready to be uploaded to your WordPress website. Keep this downloaded file handy as we'll use it in the next steps. Next, head over to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where we'll uninstall the current version of Elementor and install the previous one you just downloaded. Before you proceed to deactivate or uninstall the current version, it's always a good idea to back up your website. If you don't already have a backup tool installed, consider doing so as a precaution. Once backing up is complete, navigate to the Plugins section on your dashboard and find Elementor in your list of installed plugins. Click to deactivate and then delete the current version. Don't worry, your settings and data remain safe during this process. Now, it's time to upload the old version. Still within the Plugins section, click Add New at the top of the page and then select Upload Plugin. Choose the Elementor.zip file you downloaded earlier and click Install Now. Once the installation completes, activate the plugin as you normally would. And there you have it. You should now be running your chosen older version of Elementor on your site. This process is quite handy when looking to troubleshoot or maintain specific functionalities until the plugin stabilizes or the issue resolves. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to back up your site regularly. See you in the next video.